Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you check all the devices with which you are signed in into your particular Gmail account from only one device. So basically right now we are in our laptop. We are signed in through our laptop to our Gmail account, that is ProgrammingK101@gmail.com. I want to see that how many more devices are signed into this particular Gmail account. So how can I do that? And you must be thinking, what is the usage of the step? So basically it helps you to track that where all you are in signed in with that particular account, and if there is any of the suspicious activities that you can prevent. So the steps are pretty simple. In your Google account, click on the profile picture, go on manage your Google account. In this you will find the security option. Let's just click on security. Scroll all the way down to your devices. Here you will find a list of the devices on which you are signed in with this particular Gmail account. So you can just click on manage all devices. It will tell you that when you were signed in to that particular account, what is the nature of that particular device and what is its location, a precise location or an approximate location. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.